Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're checking out Encharge, an email automation tool that makes marketing simple. If you've ever felt like email platforms are too complicated, too expensive, or just not built for you, stick around. Encharge might be exactly what you need. So, what is Encharge? Encharge is a no-code email marketing platform that helps you automate customer journeys, send personalized campaigns, and keep leads from slipping away. Think of it as a smarter, easier alternative to tools like ActiveCampaign or HubSpot, without the sky-high monthly price tag. Here are a few things that make Encharge worth a closer look. Visual Flow Builder. You can design entire customer journeys by dragging and dropping. No coding, no stress. Example: set up a welcome series for new subscribers or a re-engagement email when someone forgets their free trial. Behavior-based automations. Encharge reacts to what people do, not just when they join your list. If someone abandons their cart, they'll get a reminder email automatically. Smart segmentation. Instead of blasting everyone the same message, you can target people based on actions, tags, or demographics. That means more clicks, fewer unsubscribes, unlimited emails and integrations. Send as many emails as you want and connect and charge to Shopify, WooCommerce, ThriveCart, Zapier, Google Sheets, and more. Simple email builder. Brand your emails with your logo, fonts, and colors in just a few clicks. Everything looks great on mobile too. Normally, platforms with these features charge anywhere from $100 to $500 every month. With AppSumo's lifetime deal, you pay once, starting at just $109, and get access forever. That's thousands saved over time. And here's something you'll love. Encharge isn't just hype. It holds an average rating of 4.8 to 4.9 stars across hundreds of reviews on Capterra, G2, and GetApp. Users say it's the best ActiveCampaign alternative, email automation without the headache, and an indispensable tool they've relied on for years. That kind of consistency shows people really trust this platform. So if you're ready to make email marketing easier and more effective, check out the Encharge lifetime deal before it's gone. I've left the link in the description. Go take a look. And don't forget to subscribe for more SaaS and lifetime deal reviews.